everybody and welcome back. Well, today I'm going to be planting some parsnips. I do like parsnips and it's the right time of the year to plant these now. These are the ones that I've got. These ones here. Now you can plant these February, March, April and May, and then you're going to be harvesting these sort of October, November or even into next year. But I'm going to try a little experiment. I'm going to plant some of them into these empty toilet roll holders. Now my idea is, it might not work, but I'm going to put a little bit of kitchen towel down there that will stop any soil from coming out of the bottom. I'm going to fill this up with soil about ½ an inch from the top, put in a seed, fill it right to the top, water it and keep it in the greenhouse. Now they're quite long, as you can see, so it gives plenty of room for the roots to establish, and when they have established I can plant these directly into the ground. The cardboard will just rot away, the root will come out the bottom, and hey presto, you get a parsnip for your dinner. Hope it'll work. I'm going to try planting some outside anyway, the conventional sort, and later in the year I'll be showing you the difference. So let's crack on with this job. There's one of the seeds. Tiny little thing, isn't it? Apparently there's 200 seeds in that packet, and the packet costs £2.40, so that's a lot of parsnips for £2.40. That's if they all survive, of course. So we take one of our little toilet roll holders, and in there there's some kitchen paper. Got my hand on the bottom there so that it doesn't go all the way through. Then we can put some soil in, tuck it down, make it nice and firm. Bit more. There we go. Tuck that down, nice and solid. Then in we go with a seed, and we're going to put about ½ an inch of soil on the top, like that. Pack that down a little bit. I'll just tuck it in the soil there, keep it safe. Then just give it a little drink to help it on its way. There we go. That's the first one done. Just got the others to do now. So don't forget to join me next time. Hope that you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.